Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the Samsung Galaxy A23 5G mobile phone. First, need proper tools to open the device, which are listed in the description. Next, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray, and then begin the back cover removal process. To remove the back cover, gently heat the edges to soften the adhesive. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option. Leave it till the process complete. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer to warm the edges. Be careful not to overheat, as this can damage internal components or the back cover. Next, use a suction cup to create a small gap along the edges of the back cover. The ideal place to use the suction cup is at the bottom of the cover. Gently create an opening using a suction cup and then carefully insert a plastic car pry tool into the gap and slide it around the edges to cut the adhesive. This process will take time and be gentle with the internal components. Always use the tip of the tool to free the adhesive. Once the adhesive is free, gently lift and remove the back cover. Next, remove the camera lens and frame using a pry tool. Next, undo the 16 screws in the mid frame and eject the SIM tray. Next, use the plastic car pry tool to create an opening to separate the mid frame. Be gentle and work around the edges to free the plastic clips. This process will take time. While pulling out the mid frame, be gentle. The fingerprint button flex is attached to the mid frame. Next, disconnect the battery connector. Next, unplug the fingerprint button connector from the logic board to release the mid frame from the body. Next, disconnect the LCD connector from the logic board. Next, remove the not working battery from the body. At first, apply heat or add isopropyl alcohol to soften the glue on the battery. And then use a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive under the battery. Be gentle in this process and pull out the battery using a pry tool. Next, place the new battery with the adhesive. Next, secure the LCD connector to the logic board. Next, secure the fingerprint button flex. Next, secure the battery connector. Next, place and secure the mid frame by adding 16 screws. Next, Secure the camera lens frame on the body. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, secure the rear cover to the body using bonding clips. If bonding clips are not available, you can use rubber bands to apply even pressure. Leave them for some time to ensure proper bonding. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe for more repair guides.